Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. Our dish for today is called Bistek Tagalog or Filipino beef steak. This simple yet tasty recipe is quite popular among Filipinos, especially to our Tagalog-speaking kababayans living in the main island of Luzon. Basic to this recipe are two essential ingredients, soy sauce and lemon. We start by marinating our thinly sliced beef sirloin in soy sauce, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, salt, pepper and sugar for about 1 hour for the beef to absorb the full flavor of the marinade. Next, we saute the onions sliced into rings lightly so as to retain the crunch that will complement the velvety texture of the beef. A generous portion of the onion rings is desired to deliver the finishing touches to this favorite dish. Then, we fry the beef, sliced thin against the grain, under medium heat. We fry until the liquid from the beef has been reduced. Continue cooking until both sides turn brown and much of the marinade has evaporated. At this point, we add the rest of the marinade and let it simmer until the beef gets tender, about 30 minutes or so. To complete our Bistek Tagalog, we now add the onion rings. The more, the merrier. Gutom na ba kayo? Luto na ang Bistek Tagalog ni Grandpa D. Kain na! If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Your comments and suggestions are most welcome. See you next time!